Hey there, it's Nick from Ruli. In this video I'll show how to use alerts and tasks in Ruli. Alerts are message events that may be sent directly to Ruli application users. They are viewed using the bell icon in the top right corner. Each alert is tied to the record that triggered it. Tasks are alerts that require users to complete specific actions. So in addition to the message, the form with the triggering record will be displayed, and certain configured actions are expected to be taken on that form. Let's begin with a simple alert example. Here I have a transaction rule and an alert operation set up so that when an expense form is approved, it sends an alert to the employee. So when the rule runs, the employee receives a message. Your expense was approved. Alerts are informational only. There is no action required from the user. They simply provide an update. Let's approve an expense claim. Here we see the red alert notification has appeared next to the bell icon. I can click on the bell to open a list of new alerts. And I can click on an alert to open the details of the alert. From here, the user can click the Open Record button to view the expense details if they want more context. Now let's take this a step further. What if we want the employee to actually confirm or review something, instead of just notifying them about the event? We can turn this alert into a task. I'll change the type field to task. Using the display location field, we can control how the task appears. Both alerts and tasks can display either as a pop-up, where the user cannot proceed until they complete the task or dismiss the alert, or under the bell icon in the top right corner. When the task is under the bell, it can be completed at any time. The task or alert can be configured to auto-complete or dismiss when the rule is not true anymore. It would just disappear from the bell. We'll use the bell option for this example. When bell is selected, there is a display field that allows you to select how the task displays when it's opened, either as a panel, pop-up, or full screen. The message is now called the banner body. It can be used to display instructions or context at the top of the task. And I'll update it to your expense was approved. Review and agree to notes. Please note that this is an optional field for tasks. The title can be used alone. Now, instead of just providing information, we're asking the user to take action. The actions are directed with the instructions, but also can be controlled with the completion conditions. Let's add completion conditions for notes reviewed equals on to make sure the user will review and agree. Using the form field, you can choose a specific form for the task. This can be used to only show the fields that are relevant for this step, as well as additional buttons or instructions using HTML fields. Now let's approve another expense claim to see how the task appears. Here we see the task that we just configured. I can turn this Notes Reviewed toggle on and submit the task. Thanks for watching.